To turn on your iGimbal, simply press and hold the power button until the light turns green. Before turning on, make sure your phone is in a balanced position by adjusting the balance adjustment arm. To take a panoramic picture using the iGimbal app, tap the option that says Pano and press the red button once. Your iGimbal will begin to take multiple pictures and stitch them into a 180-degree panoramic shot. To enable face and object tracking, tap the target icon found at the top left of your screen. The app will lock onto a subject within the camera frame and follow it using the iGimbal's 3-axis motor. To test this out, walk in front of the camera and move around the frame to see follow mode in action. To take a picture or start recording, press the red button once. To toggle between picture mode and video mode, press the red button twice. You should be able to see the setting change shortly after. If you want to switch between front and back camera, triple press the red button. Start and stop the recording with a simple hand gesture. This feature is called gesture control. To enable gesture control, locate and tap the hand icon at the bottom left of the iGimbal app's camera screen. A closed fist will take a picture or start a recording from a distance as long as you're still in frame. You'll be able to see the camera has started shooting because of the flashing red circle at the bottom of the screen. To stop a recording, show the palm of your hand and hold it for a couple of seconds. This will signal the camera to stop recording and the video will save automatically. On the keyset, you can press and hold the plus button until you've reached your desired focus. To zoom out, press and hold the minus button. When you're ready to pack up your gimbal, simply untwist the tripod and fold. If you don't know how to properly fold your gimbal, feel free to watch our how to fold video.